children, today we are going to do something very interesting. We are going to make mug cake in a microwave in just 2 minutes. Come, let's bake it. First of all, we need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Next, we will add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1, 2, 3, a pinch of salt. Now we will mix all the dry ingredients properly. After mixing the dry ingredients, we will add 1/4 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we will mix it so that no clumps remain in the batter. See, it is so easy, simple. See, because it is a little tight, I will add little more of milk. See, now the consistency is coming proper. Now we will pour this mixture in a, we'll grease the mug a little bit with our hands, and now I will pour this mixture into the mug. Like this. We'll tap it a little and we will keep it in microwave for 2 minutes on full power. 1-2 minutes. Yeah, we'll keep it for 2 minutes. See, now I have this mug cake will look like this. See, it is super tasty and super soft. Very delicious. Look. So, enjoy it.